Hey everyone, I'm going to be taking a break from today until the end of August so that I have time to focus on my health, to honor commitments that I've made to my friends and family, and to also have time to work on goals and projects that I wouldn't have time to work on otherwise. So I'll be back on the first Saturday of September, which is September 4th. And if you would like me to email you when I'm back, you can sign up for my mailing list, and I'll leave the link for that in the description down below. In the meantime, I've gone through and made sure that all of my playlists are up to date if you want to catch up on previous content. And I've also included the links for those playlists in the description down below, or you can access them by clicking on the playlist tab. And hopefully those will help make it easier to find previous videos, because I know it's kind of annoying to have to scroll through tons and tons of videos. Thank you so much for all of the support that you continue to pour out to me, and I hope to see you when I come back in September. Bye!
We'll stick together, everything is alright.